Hello! So some more fall fun for us to play with at home. While I was at the store today, they have in the front of the store all of the pumpkins, all the cute ones, the different sizes, the different kinds, different shapes, so many different things, the squash, the pumpkin. So I found these three right here. And while they have really cute stems, I have a different plan for them. So I thought really quickly, you'll need some clippers, and I'm going to clip off their stems, and then we're just gonna stack them because it's so cute, especially on like a table centerpiece or on your porch in the front of your home. Maybe you have some stairs that are in the front, so you could do it with small ones or you could do it with the big ones. You can do them with different sizes, different shapes. Just have some fun with it and play with decorating your home for fall. So I'm going to go ahead and start with, we're going to clip off sad, I'll miss you. Ooh, that was harder than I thought. There you have it. Really fast, super cute, fun decoration for fall for you to put anywhere in your home. You could even put it over your fireplace, because wouldn't that be cute? Sitting up there. Oh, that's got the ugly. We'll put that in the back. There. Voila. Cute. See you next time. Bye.